You might go to email your whole list, and whenever you go to send out to email everybody, you might have it show up something like, this email is being sent to 30 subscribers, but meanwhile, you have like 150 on your list and you're confused why it's not emailing the rest of the people. And what could be happening is that when you come into all contacts here, contacts, all contacts, you might find some people are listed as subscribed while other people are listed as never subscribed. And there's a few things that could have happened. It's either they filled out the form, on a form anywhere on your website, and they didn't check the box that said subscribe to marketing emails. Or they purchased something from you, and again, they didn't click the box that said subscribe to marketing emails. Or thirdly, it could be that you imported all your contacts, but you didn't import them and then check the box subscribe to marketing emails. So we're going to both remedy the future people coming in as never subscribed and also fix the fact that current people are listed as never subscribed. So first, let me show you when you go to settings, and up here at checkout settings, there's some options. So it defaults at unchecked opt-in box. So anyone who's opting in on any forms, they need to manually go in and check a little box that says, yes, I want to be a part of it. But what happens when people buy something from you or they fill out a form, they're just such in a hurry, they just fill in information, don't see that little box. So it doesn't get checked. And then they get marked as never subscribed. So what you can do is pre-check the opt-in box. A little marketing law email will come up. And in America, we can email people like this, but perhaps in Europe or other locations, you can't. So you might not need to look in your area to see what it's like. But in America, we can right now. So I click yes, and also automatically sign up customers to your email list when they purchase a paid offer. And I click that yes, save that. And now we'll go back to contacts and remedy the people who are currently marked as never subscribed so you can email them. Let's go to contacts, all contacts. And what I'm going to do is, you probably have more than one person in here that says never subscribed. So we're going to bulk do this. We're going to choose filters, and then we're going to choose marketing status, never subscribed, yes, apply. And all the people who are currently never subscribed are going to show up. You're going to bulk action, click all these, and it should choose all of them, highlight all of them. And we're going to bulk action, export this list, because we're going to export it and they're going to re-import it. So we are marking the box that says subscribe. So let me send that. And it should arrive in your email inbox in like a minute or so. So I've downloaded it. Now next I'm going to go to add contacts, import CSV. And I'm going to upload the file. Just drag it in here and continue to upload. And you're going to have in here X number of unrecognized columns. So we'll need to go into each of these, click on every single one of them, skip column, because the ones that really matter are probably way here at the end, name and email. Those are really the ones that we want, and they already recognize those. And so all the other ones, we can just skip column. And we're going to do that for all of them until this says 0 unrecognized columns. Now I have the last one. Skip that column, and now we have only recognized columns left, 33 skip columns. And keep in mind, whenever we do import this list, it's not going to duplicate your contacts. It's going to override the setting, moving them from never subscribed to subscribed. So continue to import actions, and this is the most important part. We're going to choose subscribe to marketing emails, and that's going to be what changes their status. And you might be wondering, what's the difference between subscribe to marketing emails and subscribe to newsletters? So newsletter is an actual product up here. If you created a newsletter product, and you want everyone on your list to be subscribed to that newsletter, then you would check this. Otherwise, you don't need to worry about that. If you, in the future, create a newsletter product, you can add them at that point, but I wouldn't check it now. So if you're sending just email broadcasts and it's your weekly newsletter, that is not a newsletter product. It is just an email that you happen to be calling a newsletter. So all we're going to be checking this at this point is this one right here, unless you do already use the newsletter product. So we'll just choose that one. If you want, you can, to keep them separated in case there's any confusion, you can add tag and then give them the name of some tag like imported list or whatever, just so you can tell the difference in case there are any errors in the future. But I don't think you'll have any problem with this. So subscribe to marketing emails, continue to summary. It'll say one person will be imported, and you can read through all this. Confirm. And now instantly, everyone in here is subscribed. So we fixed it. And then going forward, because we made those changes in settings, you shouldn't see anyone else here marked never subscribed unless they truly go in and manually unclick the box that they don't want to subscribe. And some people do that, but it actually is quite rare.